Here's a little kitty climbed a tree after a woodpecker. I don't know if I want to get too close. I'll wait till it gets a little bit higher. They got him dead center in the frame here. And there's two squirrels going off with their barking. Wah, wah, alerting each other of the cat's presence. I don't know if a cat's a stray and it's really that hungry, or if it's really just that determined. But it must be sleeping inside, because we did have a 5-degree day. Well, I suppose it could have survived that. But it's on the other side of the tree now. It's a white and gray kitty. And that woodpecker must be gone by now. No, it's still up there. Alright. I'm pretty sure that kitty's up pretty high now. The kitty's kind of vulnerable to me. So we'll see what it does when I get too close. Oh, there he is. Now he's in a bind. Yep. Oh, I guess it's a friendly kitty. Are you stuck in the tree? So this is how cats get caught in trees. Trying to go after woodpeckers. You want to jump down? We'll go get that woodpecker. Get your food. Get him now. He's still there waiting for you. So the kitty climbs higher. How high can the kitty climb before he realizes it's probably a big mistake? Oh, come on. Going from one nodule to the next. Apparently the park people cut off branches to leave these nodules. They trim this tree all the way to the top, pretty much. That's what they've done in this whole park. Trimming the tree as high as they can. Come on, go get your woodpecker. You don't want to fall on me, do you? I'm probably putting too much pressure because he's trying to get around the other side of the tree and out of my view. Well, come on. He's got to be getting somewhat tired at this point. He's probably about a rooftop high. Well, come on down. You're good. He's got some claws. I wouldn't want to tangle with him. There you go. Well, come on. Am I putting... You want to... You no. Don't jump on me. No. No, kitty, no. Come on, the woodpecker's still up there. It's probably not paying attention. You want to jump on me? Oh, God, no way. You won't die. Come on, kitty. Come on, don't you want to jump down? Come on. I'll jump out of the way if you try to land on me. Well, come on. Do you want down? I'd climb up there if I could. The picnic table's over there. That's not feasible. Well, come on. You climbed up there. You can climb down. Here, give you some space. Maybe that's the problem. I don't know if meowing's gonna help you too much. Yep, you climb backwards. I'm pretty sure he'll run away as soon as he gets to the ground. He's not showing much fear. Yeah, you'll figure it out. Climb higher, that'll help you get out of this situation. You're gonna make it. It's just soft earth. It's just soft earth. There you go. Good job, kitty. Can I pet you? Are you friendly? There you go. You almost made it to him. Maybe next time. I wish I had some food for you. Oh, wow, you're friendly. Okay. Well, good job, kitty. Oh, don't follow me. You're good. You survived. Now go find your home. You want to go find your home? Okay. All I did is watch you and record you. You almost made it. Wow, you got spots in your ear? Maybe you just need to calm down. You want your... There you go. Are you hungry? Maybe you just need some food. If I had some food, I'd give it to you. I thought you'd run away. You really got quite a lion look to you. That's quite a snout on you. Kitty, come on, man. With as short of fur as you got and the 5-degree weather we had the other day, you must have a home somewhere, right? I don't know.